Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents Egg Malai Masala. Take 2 onions, 3 to 4 green chilies. Make a thick onion paste. Take 1 tablespoon butter. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons oil so butter doesn't burn. Add onion chili paste. Sauté well. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 pinches of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon chili flakes. Roast well. Mix well. 1/4 teaspoon white pepper powder, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper powder, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, 1/2 teaspoon cumin powder, 3 tablespoons coriander leaves. Roast well. Pour 1 cup milk. Combine well. Roast well. Add 3 green chilies. Place boiled eggs. Coat well. Add some water. Combine well. Cover and cook 8 to 9 minutes. Flip the egg sides. Add 1/4 teaspoon dried fenugreek leaves. Cover and cook for more 4 to 5 minutes on low flame. Our delicious creamy egg curry is ready to enjoy. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.